Welcome to Global Tour Guides. Dubai, the gleaming metropolis in the United Arab Emirates, offers a captivating blend of modernity, luxury, and cultural experiences. Get ready for an incredible journey as we explore the wonders of Dubai. Getting there, Dubai is easily accessible with its state-of-the-art international airport, which is served by numerous airlines from around the world. The city is also well connected by a network of highways, making it convenient for road travel within the region. Accommodation. Dubai boasts a wide range of accommodation options to suit every traveler's taste and budget. From luxurious five-star hotels with breathtaking views of the city skyline to cozy boutique hotels nestled in charming neighborhoods, there is something for everyone. Attractions. Burj Khalifa. Marvel at the world's tallest building, soaring high above the Dubai skyline. Ascend to the observation deck for panoramic views of the city and experience the stunning fountain show at the base of the tower. Palm Jumeirah. Explore the iconic man-made island shaped like a palm tree. Visit the Atlantis, the Palm Resort, where you can enjoy thrilling water slides at Aquaventure Water Park or swim with dolphins at Dolphin Bay. Dubai Mall. Indulge in a world of shopping and entertainment at one of the largest malls globally, located next to the Burj Khalifa. Discover high-end fashion brands, enjoy culinary delights, and experience attractions like the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. Dubai Creek. Immerse yourself in the city's heritage by taking a traditional Abra boat ride along the historic Dubai Creek. Witness the bustling trade and admire the traditional architecture of the surrounding souks. Dubai Marina. Stroll along the picturesque waterfront promenade and take in the stunning views of luxury yachts and towering skyscrapers. Enjoy waterfront dining, shopping at the Marina Mall, or take a relaxing boat cruise. Desert Safari. Escape the city and venture into the vast Arabian desert. Experience the thrill of dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle, try sandboarding, ride a camel, and witness a mesmerizing desert sunset. Complete the adventure with a traditional Bedouin-style dinner under the stars. Food and drinks. Dubai is a culinary paradise, offering a diverse range of international cuisines and local delicacies. Some must-try dishes include shawarma. Indulge in this popular Middle Eastern street food, featuring tender slices of marinated meat wrapped in warm flatbread and served with a variety of sauces and toppings. Meze. Delight in a selection of small appetizers, such as hummus, falafel, tabbouleh, and stuffed vine leaves. These flavorful dishes are perfect for sharing. Grilled seafood. Savor the freshest catch of the day, from succulent prawns and lobster to delectable grilled fish, served with aromatic spices and traditional sauces. Arabic sweets. Treat your taste buds to an array of mouth-watering desserts, including baklava, kunafa, and lukaimet, deep-fried dough balls soaked in date syrup. Outdoor activities. Dubai offers a range of outdoor activities that cater to adventure seekers and nature lovers. Jumeirah Beach. Relax on the pristine sandy beaches, swim in the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf, or try water sports such as jet skiing and paddleboarding. Dubai Parks and Resorts. Embark on a fun-filled day at this entertainment complex featuring several theme parks, including Motion Gate Dubai, Bollywood Parks Dubai, and Legoland Dubai. Hadda Mountains. Escape to the stunning Hadda region, located just outside the city. Explore rugged mountains, hike through scenic trails, and visit Hadda Heritage Village to learn about the region's history. Dubai Miracle Garden. Wander through this enchanting floral paradise, featuring an incredible display of vibrant flowers and unique sculptures. It's a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and photography enthusiasts. Nightlife. Dubai's nightlife scene offers a mix of trendy bars, rooftop lounges, and vibrant nightclubs. Burj Al Arab. Experience the epitome of luxury at this iconic hotel, known for its extravagant bars and lounges offering panoramic views of the city. Enjoy signature cocktails in a glamorous setting. Pier 7. Located in the bustling Dubai Marina, Pier 7 is a multi-story dining destination with each floor housing a different restaurant or bar. From rooftop lounges to chic nightclubs, it offers a variety of options for a memorable night out. Cavalli Club. Step into this opulent venue known for its glitzy decor, live performances, and world-class DJs. Dance the night away in style at one of Dubai's most exclusive nightclubs. Shopping. Dubai is renowned as a shopper's paradise, with a wide range of shopping experiences to indulge in. The Dubai Mall. Explore one of the world's largest shopping malls, offering an extensive selection of international brands, luxury boutiques, and department stores. Don't miss the spectacular Dubai Fountain Show just outside the mall. Gold Souk. Get dazzled by the glittering displays of gold jewelry in this traditional market. Bargain for the best prices and take home a piece of Dubai's famous gold craftsmanship. Mall of the Emirates. Discover a mix of high-end fashion, electronics, and lifestyle brands at this popular shopping destination. The mall is also home to Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort offering snowboarding, skiing, and snowplay. Practical information. Language. Arabic is the official language of Dubai, but English is widely spoken, making it easy to communicate with locals. Currency. The local currency is the UAE Dirham, AED. ATMs are widely available, and credit cards are accepted in most establishments. Transportation. Dubai has an efficient public transportation system, including the Dubai Metro, buses, and taxis. Renting a car is also a popular option for exploring the city and its surrounding areas. Weather. Dubai experiences hot summers and mild winters. Be sure to pack lightweight and breathable clothing for the summer months and a light jacket for the cooler evenings during winter. Safety. Dubai is known for its safe environment. However, it's always advisable to take standard precautions and be mindful of your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Join us on this extraordinary journey through Dubai's marvels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our upcoming travel adventures.